Okay, my lock people. Yes, I'm still at it. Oh, I am still at it. So, as you guys can see, I have a little bit more done. This is what's left in this row that I'm starting. The 2 sections are done. And this is what's left of the 3rd section. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm only on section 3. And we are at day number 6. It is 10-something at night, Eastern Standard Time. And, yeah. So I'm still at it. Challenges. My challenge has been on my own to make sure all my parts are straight. That has been the biggest challenge for me. The more I move back, the harder it is to make sure my parts are straight. And I'm still doing the same rotation, which is the 4-point rotation. And yeah, we are still, well, I am still at it. I watched a video yesterday that it took this one young lady who at the time hair took seemed to be just as long as mine, 2 weeks. She didn't say how many parts or how many sections she had, and hers are a little bit, well, not even a little bit, hers is bigger than mine. It would take 3 of mine to make 1 of hers. I'm a little bit nervous because I sweat so bad in my head that I already am ready to wash it because of all the sweat that I do. Outside of that, again, day number 6, and I'm still going at it. I did watch some more videos on how to keep my locks moisturized, and it seems like rose water is what a lot of people are using for moisture, to have moisture in their hair with locks. I'm gonna try the Jamaica oil with water. And I did say I was gonna show you guys that, didn't I? I'm gonna disappear, but don't go anywhere. Oh. sitting on my floor to take this. So this is what I am going to be using to keep my hair moisturized. You guys can see it. It's moisturized cocoa water with a Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. So says it's for natural hair types 3 to 4. It's by it's Casey by Care of Care, and it's coconut water with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. To lock in, it says this coconut water is better than water, features Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil to lock in amazing moisture, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and healthy. When you need to re-wet drying hair, this revolutionary, well, I couldn't say that, spray is infused with emollients and human tints to add even more moisture and a nice sheen along with every spray as you style. Helps prevent hair from frizzing and enhance curl definition. So that's what it says. That's in there. Then the direction says, use in place of plain water, shake well, spray generously to re-dampen hair while styling. Also great for refreshing wash and goes. So the ingredients is aqua water, glycerin, biotin, coconut fruit oil, seed oil. I did not know it had some type of alcohol in here and a fragrance. And a citric acid. But we're going to try it. So again, this is what I bought. I also bought, it says it's free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and petrolatum. I have no clue what the fuck petrolatum is. I bought a spray bottle. Let me show you guys that. Oh, my bones getting up and down, going up and down, up and down, up and down. So I also bought this spray bottle off of Amazon as well. And what I plan to do is I plan to mix this up with some type of sheen to make my hair not look dull, and some other type of oil. Not sure what other oil, but I am going to be adding another oil to this. The reason why I'm going to do that is I use this already, and it doesn't seem like it's enough oil in here. So I don't know the measurements of how much oil is in here versus how much water. Coconut water is in here, but I think it's not enough oil. So I plan to pour this turn it back around so you guys can see it again. I plan to pour this into this, and this holds, this is a 300 milliliter bottle. So the spray bottle actually is from the neck down. So that's how big this bottle is. So I plan to put, I'm probably going to do a half of this spray bottle, half of this in there. I'm more than likely going to get some rose water just to mix with this. And I'm going to add a sheen to this, and I'm going to add another oil. And I'll let you guys know what I use and if it's working. I just know by itself, this is not enough oil by itself. I do like that it has an on and off switch, so you won't make a mistake and spray. Like, I like that. But when I spray this, this is how it looks. And it's not, like, it's like a water. I know it says coconut water, but, like, I'm about to, I just dab some on my fingers so you can see. I don't know if you can see that. There's no sheen to it, no nothing. And the more that I rub, the drier it's becoming. I mean, I can feel a little oil now that is dried up. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I don't see a shine. Like my hand is already shiny by itself. I was trying to see if my skin was dry somewhere so I can actually see how much oil is in there. But everything with this light right here is looking real shiny by itself. We're going to try to spray some right there. Let's see. See, as you see, it's no shine to it. So that's why I don't think it's enough oil in there. I mean, I don't feel oil on there now. So the more I rub, I mean, the more drier and stiffer it's getting, the more I rub. So I definitely know I'm going to need another oil. I'm going to need something to really moisturize, because, I mean, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's kind of dry to me. It don't feel dry. I put something different in it. And I know I'm not supposed to add anything while I'm locking, but I just could not take how stiff my hair was sounding. So, like, it just sounds crunchy to me. And to me, that's not a good sign. So, there it is. I promised this was going to be, to myself, that this was going to be a short video. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use the locking tool again. It's been doing that to me lately. So what I've had to do is roll this around because I get tired of it slipping out. And now I utilize the same rotation. That was 3 to 9, 12 to 6, 9 to 3, and 6 to 12. And I just keep going like that. I have noticed some locks that already has holes in them. And I have been, see, it's been slipping out. And I have been fixing them. So I didn't want a bunch of them to fix afterwards. So I've been trying to catch the ones that need to be fixed now. So I don't have a bunch of stuff to do once I finish. And again, I always end on 12. I think it's maybe 3 times now that I haven't ended on 12. And that's because I didn't like the way the lock was laying. When you end on 12, throughout all my research, it's supposed to lay flat. But some of them wasn't. So I end up going, see how flat that's laying. Some of them wasn't laying flat at all. Like 3 of them wasn't laying flat at all. And I didn't like that shit. So I ended on 3 to 9. But yeah, there's another lock. Okay, you guys. Well, day 6 is pretty much done. I'm not going to do any more tonight. I have a new work schedule, so I have to be at work now at 8 o'clock in the morning, and trying to stay up until 1 o'clock to do this has really, really made me exhausted at work. So I'm not doing that. It's probably going to take me longer because I'm not staying up to the wee hours in the morning, but it's just going to have to take me longer. I cannot stay up that late. I used to be able to stay up until 2 o'clock in the morning and get up and just go, but I can't do that. So this is me signing off. And I don't know if you guys have seen the videos I've already uploaded. I'm trying to get them all uploaded. But yeah, if you have any questions on any of my videos, just shoot me a comment if you think I'm doing something wrong, or if you have any suggestions for me to put moisture back in my hair. That would be appreciative. All right, deuces.